Hello everyone, we are finishing up chapter 20, yay! Okay, so in the last video we talked about how G, which is Gibbs free energy, how K, which is the equilibrium constant, and how E, which is cell potential, or voltage as we can also think about it, how all of those things relate. Now in the last video we derived all of their relationships because we know that delta G is equal to a negative in Fe.
Yeah, girl.
Yeah, girl. And then we know we can rearrange that for E, so that we would have that E equals a delta G over a negative in F. But then I know that delta G is also equal to a negative RT ln K. So then I can sub that in for G to then find that E is equal to RT over NF times the ln of K. So that was all done in the previous video, but just to go back, they all have a relationship with one another, and we're going to utilize those things because ultimately we know that when E, if we're reviewing here for just a second, we know that E, if it's positive, then that means that it's going to be a spontaneous process. So if E is positive, guess what? G should be negative, because when Gibbs free energy is negative, that means that it's an irreversible process, meaning it's a spontaneous process. So we can build relationships mathematically between these three things, and there's an example